More than a dozen survivors have put out a statement slamming the Justice Department over its delayed release of the Epstein files. Our correspondent Rachel Clayton is in Washington. Rachel, good morning. What have these women said?
Good morning, Emma. Well, 19 survivors have put their names to this two-page letter that was published this morning, and in it they detail how the Department of Justice is continuing to break the law by not publishing the full trove of Epstein files that it has, and by publishing the information of victim survivors without redacting it in some documents. They say that in particular has caused real and immediate harm to victim survivors. They've also slammed the Department of Justice for what they call abnormal and extreme redactions of some documents with no explanation. And the letter calls for members of Congress to take any legal action that they can to force the hand of the department to release all of the files that it has. That comes after yesterday when we heard from two congressmen who are planning to file contempt action against Attorney-General Pam Bondi. It will go to the House of Reps for a vote next year. We heard from Democrat Ro Khanna this morning. He had a little bit more to say about this. Take a listen.
What the resolution will say is that for every day that Pam Bondi does not release the documents in question, she will be subject to a personal $5,000 fine. And there will be a committee of the Congress, Republican and Democrat, that need to see the documents to determine whether that redaction qualifies as legitimate with the statute or not.
We also understand that more Epstein files will be published this afternoon. They will include, or are meant to include, a 60-count draft indictment from about 20 years ago against Jeffrey Epstein in Florida, and FBI witness interviews which may name other men that were involved in Jeffrey Epstein's crimes. So survivors and lawmakers are keenly watching to see if those documents do indeed drop.